exercise we have in these practicals, Spss 6b. The question reads as, what are turf Vodafone village survey is one of the rural camp surveys performed by the students of social work, Cyber in January 2016. Copy the 11 files of this survey into your folder on the computer, and after that you have to perform the following. So I have those files already copied in one folder. So the first question is, merge these into one file. So here in this one, I have all the files copied. It is ready. And I have opened the first one here. So that is 150. So every file carries 50 cases. And also you can see that this survey had nearly 102 questions. So 102 variables come out of it. So these 50 cases are there. I need to merge the remaining 10 into this file. So what is a procedure of merging? So come to the data and merge files, add cases. So there are often two options. Suppose you have every case in two files, but the variables are different, you can merge that. But here that is not the case. Here every variable is there in every file, but cases are different. So we are adding cases. So we have to browse. So that file is there. Next one is 51 to 100. And continue. Click OK. So you can go back and see what has happened. Say after 50, further things are added up. Okay. Now, once again, come back to this data, merge files, add cases. So browse 101, continue, OK. You can come back and see what has happened. It has gone up to 150. Likewise, you can merge all other files. It completes all the files. Totally 530 cases are there. Now, perform data cleaning. What does it mean? At the time of entering data, sometimes we might have entered wrong code. So what we have to do to identify them, we cannot go through each and every cell. This has 530 cases, 100 variables, 530 into 100, 53,000 cells we cannot examine. So what we do, we will take the frequency tables and see whether there are anything wrong. So what you do, go to analyze descriptive statistics and frequencies. Case, you can leave the case number and the rest of the thing, all the variables will choose. Put it on the right side. Frequency tables already selected, click OK. So it will write out all the frequency table one after the other. Say the first one, ward number, 1 to 5 are the ward numbers. There is no mistake in that. Then number of family members, it ranges from 1 to 33. We don't find much mistake, any mistake there. And then number of boys, 0 to 5 is there. The boys between 0 to 4, that category. Numbers ranges from 0 to 5. And again, number of boys between 4 to 8, numbers range from 0 to 2. And between 8 to 12, numbers range from 0 to 3. And girls between 0 to 4, numbers range from 0 to 3. And girls between 4 and 8, numbers range from 0 to 3. And here also, there is one thing which is appearing. Girls between 8 to 12, number range from 0 to 2, and there is one entry which shows 9 children. This must be wrong. So what we will do, we will go to the data sheet. Just 1 minute, we'll look at this one. There is girls between 8 to 12. So we'll go to the data sheet. Girls between 8 to 12 selected. Okay. And find 9. Find next. So you stopped here. This is the number. Since we don't know what this is wrong, we'll just delete it and it will be declared as missing and we can close. One more, I will show you how to deal with such cases. We'll come down further. The next one, main occupation. Whatever are coded, they are appearing. Okay, fine. Caste, whatever are coded, they are appearing. Religion, here there's a mistake. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jain, others, and there is one 11 which is not coded. By mistake it has come. So in a religion, 11 has to be found and removed. Come here. Religion is here. Find 11. Find next. Yeah, here it is. Delete it. Select that cell first. Delete it. That is deleted. And close this one. So in the same, in the disease diarrhea, the number 2 appears. That also is wrong. That has to be traced and deleted. Likewise, in every variable, there may be something which is not the real value. This need to be identified. Say, for example, adequate water. Yes, do you have adequate water? That's a question. Yes or no. But number 10 have come. That's a wrong entry. This need to be deleted. Likewise, you have to perform data cleaning for the entire file before we continue with such type of data analysis. At present, I will skip this part. I'll go to the next question. Create multiple response group for health problems. So already one of the earlier exercises we have seen, I will explain once again. Come here. Data define multiple response sets. So health problems, actually, it starts with it starts from here. So select that one completely. Dengue is the last one. We'll put it here. And the counted value 1 stands for S. So here we'll write health problems. Add. Okay, and then click OK. So Spss is informing us that a multiple response set is created by name health problems, and these are the particular variables involved. Now go to the next question. Save this as an Excel file and find a sex ratio in each group. So saving as an Excel file, we can come here, File, Save As, and here we can go to the Excel option. And save. Okay. After that, the next one, and calculate a sex ratio in each age group. So let us go to the desktop. On the desktop, I have this file. Now here, I have this null, means there is no entry. Why entry was not there? Because in that category, in that particular case, there were no children, so entry was not there. So actually what need to be entered there is nothing but 0. So what we will do, we'll select these particular cells. We will search or find and replace. So find this null and replace with 0 and replace all. Okay, so it is done, and now get the totals of these columns. So let us come down and see what is there. So these are the totals created. See, the first 3, they belong to the male student, the male children, and the next 3 are female children. Now the sex, this is for 0 to 4, this for 0 to 4, 4 to 8, and this is 4 to 8, 8 to 12, this is 8 to 12. So here I will write this way, sex ratio 0 to 4. Okay, I'll enter here. This is the number of girls divided by the number of boys here into 1000. Similarly here, sex ratio between 4 to 8. 4 to 8. The values will be this, the number of girls divided by the number of boys here into 1000. Enter. So likewise, we can continue for the third category for 8 to 12 also. So now let us go back to the next question. Does the hypothesis that education is independent of income? So here, education is there in this one, and in income also is coded, education also is coded. So we'll go to analyze descriptive statistics and crosstab. So income and education So this is income. I put it in row. Education, I'll put in column. Statistics, I need chi-square. Continue, click OK. So the chi-square value is 79, pretty high. Total significance 0.000 something else divided by 2.30 something. Very small value. This chi-square value falls in the region of rejection. So the two variables are dependent because chi-square value shows that it falls in the region of rejection. So the null hypothesis which says that the two variables are independent is rejected. Go to the next one. Investigate the dependence between environmental factors like uncovered drainage, stagnant bodies of water near the house, garbage disposal facilities, and occurrences of health problems. So we'll go here, analyze descriptive statistics and cross tab. Now we'll remove this one and we'll remove this also. So let us first come to the health factor, the occurrence of diseases. These are the one. It starts from here, diarrhea onwards up to the last one. Sorry. Dengue. So we'll put it in. These are the health problems. So environmental factors will go up. Yeah, proper covered drainage, toilet at home, garbage disposal facility, approach road not required. And then stagnant bodies of water, problem of insects, cattle, poor ventilation, poor natural light. Okay, these are the things that also will put it there. And choose this chi-square. So now large number of variables are included in rows and columns also. So it may generate large number of tables. Say for example, here income, just 1 minute, it's still working. Okay, let us come to this one. One table will choose. Jaundice versus poor covered drainage, proper covered drainage. So here, what you get, chi-square value is 0.91. Chi-square value is 0.59. The total significance is 0.91. So that falls in the acceptance region. We conclude that these two variables are independent. When you go across a large number of tables that's generated, you may find 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 may be significant. Just you need to report those are significant. Those environmental factors are leading to, or you can put it this way, those illnesses are dependent on those environmental factors. Then next, Similar way you can proceed. Investigate the dependence between health practices and occurrences of diseases. Health practices means boiling the water and so many other. I can show you here. What you can do, we can come here and go to analyze descriptive status and cross tab. So here the illnesses are put, and these things you can choose and send it back. Now, health practices, you can choose below from there. Boiling the water, immunization of children, use of toilet, washing hands, taking medical help. Those are, or further maybe that you can choose all that. And you can go for chi-square test. Again, a large number of tables will be generated. Out of them, find the significant ones. So those two variables are associated, you can conclude. Similarly, the eighth question, investigate the dependencies between categorical variables and awareness of government schemes. Categorical variables means that education, profession, and religion, and so many things. And government schemes also are there. If you want, I can show you here. Come here, analyze descriptive statistics and cross tab. So first of all, these things are no more required. So we'll select them and send it back. These things are also no more required. Select them and send it back. First thing, what you have to do, the categorical variable like main occupation, caste, religion, income, education, family type of house. Okay, these will be the categorical variable. And awareness of government schemes, I think it comes towards the end of the data sheet. So those variables will be coming here. I think it starts from here. Jal Swarajya scheme and so many other schemes. Mahatma Gandhi, some scheme also is given. Put them there and go for the chi-square test. Again, it will generate a large number of tables. Out of them, just identify the ones that are significant. And you can conclude that the corresponding two variables are dependent. So with this, we complete this exercise, and this is the last exercise. So we have completed the SPSS